What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be rounding up my top 5 sneaker picks for this spring summer. I did do this video last year around this time of year and you guys seem to really like this video, so I figured I would do it again for 2025. The picks that I selected for this video definitely have a range in terms of being affordable. Some are a little bit more trendy, some are more like comfortable, some are more like fashion pieces. So I think it has a good variety and you will be able to leave this video with at least one pair that I think could inspire you to grab this season. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be notified on all of my new videos. All right, so let's get started. All right, my first pick, possibly controversial, but the Adidas Taekwondo Mei ballet flats. Let me tell you guys, I at first was not too sure about these because I definitely have more of a tomboy style and I feel like ballet flats definitely are a little bit more on the girlier side, but I went into Adidas the other day and I tried them on and I kind of became obsessed with them. I really love them, and if I were ever going to wear a ballet flat, it would be an Adidas version. So these are really cute. I feel like they're just going to be so fun to style this spring and summer. And yeah, they're kind of more trendy. I don't know if they're always going to be in style, but why not just have some fun with the current trends right now? And I don't always like hop on to things like this that I see. I kind of just wear whatever sneakers I personally like, but this was one trend I was like, you know what, this is really fun and unique. And they do kind of fit into the sneaker category because of the way that they're kind of like designed. I feel like these are the type of shoes you either love or hate, so it's gonna go either way, but I really love them. I was actually thinking of doing more of an in-depth review on these just because of how popular they are. So let me know in the comments if you want to hear more about these, but overall I am obsessed with these and I'm super excited about them for this season. All right, moving on to sneaker number 2, the Fenty Avonte sneakers. I love these. I featured these in my last What's New in My Closet video and these have become a favorite of mine. I'm loving the soccer style sneakers right now with the fold over tongue. I think they're really fun, and the Avantis come in a lot of really cool colors as well. Puma overall just have so many cool drops right now. Another style I was going to add into this video were the Puma Speedcats. I'll put a picture up here so you guys know what I'm talking about. Those also I feel like could have been in this video. Definitely a really fun spring summer sneaker. I have them in black, but I personally love the Avantis. I just think they're a little bit more my style. I love the silhouette of these as well, so super excited. I feel like red is one of my favorite colors as well, so I'll probably just pair these with a lot of like neutral outfits this spring and summer, but they're gonna look really cute with like a soccer jersey or just like bike shorts with some scrunchy socks. Very fun, and I'm excited about these. Okay, for sneaker number 3, we have the New Balance 1906 Rs, and I have worn these so much. These are probably my most worn at the moment. They're just so comfortable. So if you're looking for like an everyday comfort sneaker that's still really cool and fashion forward, I would definitely recommend these. They come in different colors. I got the black and the gold, and they do also have silver on them, so it kind of goes with like everything. Like I put these on all the time, but they are so comfortable. You cannot go wrong with New Balances. I swear every pair of New Balance that I've ever owned are always so comfortable. So if you're looking for kind of a different sneaker that's comfortable, that you're gonna walk around a lot in, I would highly recommend these. I swear, like, they're so worn and like kind of dirty if you saw, but they are my favorite. You can also find these easily online for retail price, which I try to do in these videos so that you guys can actually go online and buy these and not buy them for like crazy prices. Obviously some of the more trend sneakers tend to go really quickly and then you end up having to buy them on StockX for more, but most of these you can just find online from what I've seen, so definitely recommend these New Balances. All right, next up I had to include one pair of Adidas Samba vibes. These are the Spezials. I think that's how you pronounce them. So they're not the Sambas, but they're very similar, and I feel like I'm still loving this style of sneaker. I know they're like very overdone, but I find myself grabbing these a lot. I just feel like they're very fun. You can get them in so many different colors, especially for spring and summer. They just are a very cool sneaker to kind of pair with literally any outfit, and they're still going strong. Every season I'm wondering if they're still gonna be in style, but I personally still love them and think that they're really cute and also easier to find now. I feel like because a lot of people have gotten them, the trend is starting to kind of like, I don't know, maybe even out a little bit, so you can actually find a pair when you go into Adidas. They're not like crazy hard to find, but I do love this color. I think it's very unique with the two-tone of green, and there's tons of different colors that you can grab of these, but I had to include them in this video because I feel like they're just still going very strong and I wear them a lot. Okay, last up are the Nike Killshot 2. These are the leather premium version, and I did a whole full review on these sneakers, so if you guys have been watching my last couple of videos, you know I've talked a lot about these, but these are definitely going to be my favorites for this spring summer. They're just so cool with the fold over tongue, kind of that whole soccer vibe that I was talking about earlier with the Puma Avanti. Really love this style of sneaker, and so if you guys want to hear more of an in-depth review on these because you're wondering whether to buy them, head over to that video where I did a full review. Okay, this is kind of a bonus sneaker just because I haven't actually physically got these yet, but I will be purchasing them very soon, and that is the Nike Shox TL. I am obsessed with these and I'm predicting they are going to be huge this spring summer. They've obviously been around for a while, but they are making a comeback, and I specifically love this khaki kind of brown color, so I'm definitely gonna be grabbing them, and I have a feeling they're gonna be harder to find once people start grabbing these. So I've found them online at a few different stores and I'll have them linked below, but I love these and I'm super excited to finally get a pair and style them because I love a sneaker that is more chunky, even though a lot of these are that more like skinny, like Adidas Samba silhouette, but I personally love whenever a chunky sneaker comes back because that's my personal favorite. So I'm super excited for the Nike Shox. All right guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which sneaker was your favorite, if you have one, and if you're gonna be picking up any of these. I would love to hear. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.